here, Shanice. Today I'm doing an installing video and I'm using the Esha products. These products are available online. You can also get it at your local beauty supply store. I do have the lace adhesive, I have a primer, and also have a remover. I did go ahead and clean my hairline with alcohol. I used the 91% alcohol, and I did go ahead and clean it as well with the Esha primer to go ahead and install my wig. This wig is by UNice Hair. This is a 22-inch curly lace frontal wig. This is a 13x4 in a density of 150%. I did previously pluck the hairline as well as bleach the knots on this wig. I did not do anything else on this wig. This wig fits perfectly on my head, so I will not need to cut any more off on the sides. And I'm just putting this wig on just to see exactly how it fits on me. I will then again take this wig off and I will add my shade of foundation onto the lace and go ahead and get this wig installed. First step I'm going to do is take that lace adhesive. This is of course by Esha, and I'm going to apply it to my hairline. This tube, it looks similar to like lip gloss, and it does have a smooth tip to it, so you will not have no problems with gliding it along your hairline. And it does come out pretty fast, so you want to just try to be careful, but you can just take the tip and just smooth it along. Next, I'm going to take my blow dryer, and this is just a Remington blow dryer, and I do have it on a medium heat setting. I just want to make sure all the glue dries in place. I did go ahead and apply this lace adhesive 3 times to my hair, and I blow dried it each time in place. Now that my glue has completely dried, I did go ahead and place my color foundation onto the lace frontal part of this wig. I do just carefully place this wig onto my head because this glue is very tacky. It doesn't take long for it to dry. This glue is very tacky, so you just want to be careful on when you're placing it on your head. I do just go ahead and adjust it to exactly where I want it to be, and then I just lay it in place. Next, I'm going to just take my fine tooth comb and comb my hairline back into the glue. This way it does not mess up my hairline, and it also secures the lace to the glue. Next, I'm going to go ahead and cut off my lace. I do go ahead and cut it into sections where it's just easier for me to go ahead and cut it off. I do take my eyebrow razor and I go piece by piece and gently just cut each piece off. If you need to cut a little bit off of your hairline, go ahead and do it. But I do go ahead and just cut each section off, and then whatever is left over, whatever lace is left over that's lifting, I do go ahead and apply some more of my lace adhesive, spread it down, dry it, and go ahead and place it with the the end of my comb. Next, I'm going to take my lace glue remover and just spray a little bit on a napkin, and then I'm going to go ahead and just clean up my hairline because I do not want any of my baby hairs to stick to any glue that's left on my hairline. Next, I'm going to take my Truematch, and I believe this is in a color tan. I will leave all of it down below, but I am going to spray a little bit along my hairline, even though it already looks like scalp, you know. It already looks like scalp. But I am going to do this for a finished look. I'm going to spray this over it, and then I'm going to take my Gotta Be Glue Free Spray and also spray it along my hairline to give it a tighter hold. I'm going to just spray it along my hairline, and I'm going to take my elastic band and I'm going to wrap my hairline. I'm going to pull my baby hairs in front, so make sure everything is straight, not curled up or anything underneath the band. I'm going to pull them out to make sure everything is straight. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This wig did come out beautifully, and I'm absolutely in love. I will be doing a review on this wig pretty soon, but please make sure you follow all these steps just to guide you along the way. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and I will see y'all in the end.